Hello, it is Tuesday, June 3rd. Yes, June 3rd. I'm doing another weekly update video. This last week I've been working on public collections. I've just been heads down trying to get it knocked out, and I'm really close. I think in the next day or two I'm going to end up finally being able to deploy it. It's been expensive in terms of time, vlogging, all of working on public collections. I don't think this is something that I'm going to end up doing again unless somehow these videos end up being really popular, and I would be really surprised if that happens. I think it's neat to have a major feature vlogged end to end, so I don't have any regrets there, but I'm skeptical that people are going to end up really finding any material amount of value from just watching me code for 20 plus hours or whatever the number is going to end up being. At the end of this whole experience, after all of the videos are up, I'm going to do some kind of reflections video. So I'll talk more about that then. And that may be interesting, but I digress. This week, I'm going to finish public collections. I think I'm going to finish it tomorrow, if not tomorrow, the next day. I'm pretty close. As long as the polish doesn't take too much more time, and I don't think it will. Yeah, I'm looking forward to having it deployed and getting to move on to the next thing. Public collections has taken way longer than I expected, and I think that's pretty much exclusively to do with me vlogging public collections. The extra effort it takes to explain everything to the camera and whatnot, it just really adds up. And instead of me getting to go heads down and be focused and coding, I have to backtrack and make sure I'm making sense to a unknown, potentially non-technical audience. And I don't think I've done a very good job of that. But even though I haven't done a very good job of that, it still adds up. And it takes time, takes effort. And that time and effort distracts me from actually getting to code. So I don't know what that noise is. So yeah, the plan for this week is going to be to finish public collections, and then from there, move on to the next thing. And I'm very excited to move on to the next thing. I'm not quite sure what I'm going to be working on after public collections. I have a big to-do list. I have a huge backlog. I'm just not quite ready to talk about it yet. I need to work through priorities, and I want to reevaluate things after getting public collections done. That's all going to happen in a couple days. So the plan right now is to knock out public collections and then reevaluate from there. Long story short, last week, public collections, this week, public collections, and then TBD, what's next. Anyway, that's what I got for this update. David out.